Hey everybody, so today I decided to go to the grocery store and I wanted to get more into the food aspect of things so you guys can see kind of what I eat and how I do it. And I love watching all of you guys out there make these types of videos because I learned so many new recipes and so many things that I didn't know before. And so I thought that I would do one because I had to go to the grocery store today anyway. So I shop at Kroger because we have a Kroger here and it's a really good Kroger. I like Kroger because they have a huge selection of not only gluten-free food but also vegetarian food, and it's really hard to find gluten-free and dairy-free products, and they just have freezers full of gluten-free food, dairy-free food, and then aisles of vegetarian food. So it's really awesome and I really like it. So I always get cottage cheese. I almost always get cottage cheese because I love cottage cheese and I use it for a snack. Obviously, this is what I get, Almond Breeze, the Blue Diamond brand, and I get it unsweetened because I use it mostly for smoothies and smoothies with a lot of fruit. So I try to cut down on as much sugar as possible. So this is the brand of yogurt that I buy. I always buy the Dannon All Natural. And I get that because it has the least amount of ingredients in it. And you can't read it, but it's very small. It's just that top little paragraph. And I can read it all, and it uses real sugar. And that's why I get the vanilla. I get the vanilla because I also use it primarily for smoothies, and I get the sugar and flavor. I try to buy organic as often as possible. I got me some organic baby carrots. Now, these are not organic, but I love this brand, the Private Selection brand found at Kroger. And this is literally a 4-pound bag of strawberries for $13, but they last me a really long time. This is one of my ultimate favorite buys, baby spinach, and I buy the organic. Now, I juice a lot of my vegetables and a lot of my fruit. So I try to buy organic when I can. Obviously, it is more expensive, and when you have to do it a couple of times a week, it just gets to be, oh. So this is my other all-time favorite buy, hummus. I'm trying a new brand, Fountain of Health brand. My favorite flavor is roasted red pepper, and I buy hummus. I bought this brand because they were 2 for $5, so they were on sale. I love hummus. I love all kinds of hummus. Gluten-free, flavorful food, and I really love it. Obviously, some organic bananas. Now, I always go with natural, cage-free brown eggs. And this is the type that I usually buy every once in a while. I'll get the organic Simple Truth brand. Quinoa. I eat a lot of quinoa. Quinoa, rice, and potatoes are my main form of carbs and starch. Obviously, some potato chips. Now these I only buy once in a while because this little bag right here is $8, but I love them and I add them to everything, like my gluten-free pancakes or waffles. You can put them in smoothies, and it's just awesome. Now, this is also a special treat buy. So delicious, dairy-free coconut milk chocolate ice cream. This stuff is so amazing. I absolutely love it. And so I buy it once in a while as a special treat because I love ice cream, and this is just like a much better, healthier version of ice cream. But it is not a low-calorie food. And then, of course, I got some nectarines. So that's the majority of what I bought today. Those are things that are almost always on my list of things to buy, with the exception of my pecans and my ice cream there, and things that I eat. And here in a couple of days, I'm going to be doing a food diary video. So I'm going to go through my day, and you can see all of the meals that I eat and what makes up the majority of my diet. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, and let me know if you want to see more like it. And feel free to leave comments if any of this has, I don't think any of this has any hidden gluten in it. But in future videos, if you see that I buy something and you're like, hey, that has gluten in it, or I've done research on this or that other thing, let me know that too, because I'm finding it in more things than I would have expected, even when I'm looking for gluten-free. So let me know what you think, and leave your comments below, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.